So here you are trying to be productive, making a video for YouTube, wanting to make quality content, wanting to, be creative, and you're using Davinci Resolve, which is an amazing free editing program. And then, this happens. Render job to failed usually says 1. As the current clip could not be processed. And then it lists, the clip could not be decoded correctly. Please check if the clip is still available on the drive. There's nothing wrong with this clip. There's nothing wrong with anything. In this whole rendering project, I have had this problem for quite a while. And I've been just trying to deal with it, doing like little workarounds. But I have finally found a fix. Go to the Davinci Resolve drop-down menu. Go to Preferences. We need to go to User right here. Click why this is an option. I do not know. But there is a box here that is checked that says, Stop renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed. Uncheck that, save. This should fix your problem. So then you have to re-add it to your render queue. Yes, you want to replace it since Davinci Resolve is being really frustrating, and then you hit Start Render. Is where this particular project would fail every time. Because for some reason, it says that this clip has some sort of problem. I don't know what, and then it made it past it. Now this rendering process will be successful. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.